entrance hardware and electronic lock access control in educational facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at entrance hardware to maximize security of educational facilities, including EL or electric locks and access control, allowing a remote operator to grant access to a facility when students are inside the building and the doors have been locked. EL or electric hardware gives you many options for how it is deployed. On the left, you can see an entrance with a mid-rail that operates concealed rod exit devices. The rods are retracted by the EL hardware as a response to a code entered on the keypad. The cable that you see running from the hinge of the jamb to the door is the power transfer. Here's a school entry with a bank of entries and EL concealed rods. After students have been let in and classes have started, the doors are locked. The receptionist here in the office to the right maintains communication with visitors who enter into the vestibule. Entering the vestibule, then the receptionist can click an activator that allows the door to be opened and closed for one cycle, allowing guests to enter. Another hardware option that's growing quickly in popularity is a door position switch. This allows all entries to be monitored from a single location where security can watch and see when doors are being operated, how often they're being operated, and if they've been closed correctly or if they're propped open. Access control can also be located at individual doors. Here you can see a single entry has a keypad adjacent to the door, so it limits who has entry to this door. Here's another option. The entry is operated by a magnetic card that's pressed to the surface of the pad. Or this one where magnetic card swipe is required to operate the latch handle on the door. Typical commercial entries aren't the only options available for schools. Another very popular school entrance is the FRP, or fiberglass reinforced polyester entrance. This is an entrance that starts as an extruded rail and style, which has raceways in the extrusions to receive a fiberglass panel on the interior and exterior. The center is a high-density foam that expands while the door is in a press, containing the foam to create a very dense, firm core that holds up to impacts and blast. This makes for a very secure and very strong entrance. FRP entrances have been tested for blast mitigation and impact applications. Vision glass can be included in FRPs, and the size can be determined on a project-by-project basis. Another option is heavier monumental type entrances. These are a very secure option for an entry. Has heavy wall sections and an interlock between the door and the frame when it's closed. Heavy wall sections prevent hardware from being pulled out, and the interlock between the frame and the door prevent forced entry or tools to get around the door between the door and the frame. Both these types of entrances have been very popular in educational facilities. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.